Whether it is this cucumber or it is this cucumber, many people feel it is one and the same, but no. The reason why the snake cucumbers come in the particular season has its own importance, and I will tell you why I always prefer the snake cucumbers over the regular ones whenever they are in the season, and you should too. Well, the type of cucumber that you choose in that particular season will determine how hard, tough, or easy will it be on your digestive system. Your choice is going to determine whether your digestive system is going to get disturbed or is it going to be supported. Well, these thin, long snake cucumbers are very much in the season. They are naturally grown, and anything that is in the season is better identified and recognized by your body. Let me explain it very simply. Anything that is seasonal is understood by your body a little better. Seasonal foods align with the climate. Seasonal foods also have a good water content as per the climatic conditions, and hence it is helpful for your body. This high water content is cooling to your body, especially in this hot weather. It is the same snake cucumber that is supporting your liver health and your gut health. And from an Ayurveda perspective, this is what is going to help you balance your pitta better from an Ayurvedic perspective. Remember, nature, Mother Earth or the Prakriti understands best what is good for you and your body in that particular season. Alright, so as compared to both of these cucumbers, why are these thin cucumbers better? Let's come to the science of it. 1. From a taste perspective, these thin cucumbers or the snake cucumbers can be less bitter. The thin cucumbers have fewer mature seeds, which means the fiber content in them is not very rough and hence very easy on your gut or the digestive system. They may look thin as compared to these thick ones, but yet they have a higher water density. And of course, they are less wax coated as compared to what your regular cucumbers may be. When your cucumbers are overgrown, or they have very mature seeds into them, there is a possibility that it may be a little rough fiber, difficult on your digestive system, and hence may cause bloating. This may particularly be important for those people who have sensitive gut or for those women who have a hormone-related disturbance or a pattern of bloating or water retention that they are going through. Remember, small food choices is what wellness means. It doesn't have to be complicated. And these small lifestyle choices, food choices, is what make a phenomenal difference on a regular basis. Generally speaking, cucumbers are very good for hydration. Hydration at a cellular level. And this cucumber is also extremely good for a natural detox. It is extremely good for your gut lining, for soothing your gut lining. It definitely reduces the inflammation in your body and is excellent in supporting your skin glow. Imagine somebody in a corporate lifestyle who is sitting under the AC for too long, who is exposed to the screens for too long, who is having general fatigue and also occasionally suffers from acidity. For that employee, these cucumbers can be excellent. They can begin resetting your gut or the entire system. Usually, the way I use them is simply cut them, put it into a little bit of salt and then chew them as a mid-morning snack. Trust me, it tastes yum. You can simply also chop them and add a little bit of mint leaves and a dash of lemon, and this becomes an excellent cucumber mint salad. And if you want to support your liver condition, then simply put it into the mixer grinder, juice it, and it becomes an excellent support system for your liver. Please remember, wellness is not necessarily something that needs to be complicated. It is your daily food choices, daily lifestyle choices. Just going into the market and identifying what is seasonal and what is non-seasonal can make a phenomenal difference. Just getting into the market and buying something that is local, regional, produced in the area where you stay can make a phenomenal difference than all of those materials that have been imported and have been sprayed heavily just to increase their shelf life. If you want to learn a lot more about natural lifestyle and ways to support your health better, then like, share and subscribe to this channel. I look forward to connecting with you in another video with an interesting topic. Till we meet again, Namaste.